Isang mensaheng ibinigay ni Rachel Gupta para kay CJ Opiasa bilang bagong Miss Grand International 2024. Ayon kay Rachel, I'm sure she must be feeling a lot of things right now. She must be feeling happy to be the new queen. She must be feeling confused, a little bit of nervous and scared. Honestly, I'm praying for her. My heart is with her. I hope to God that she does not experience the same thing I did, but the truth is that this is the organization that she's choosing to work with, and I have a lot of respect for her. She comes from a beautiful country, and I'm truly praying that she has a good experience with the organization. Please protect yourself. Samantala, bumuhos naman ang suporta ng mga Filipino para kay CJ. Ipinakita rin ni Mac Tumang na inabot lang sila ng 3 days para tapusin nga ang gown na isusot ni CJ sa nasabing pagbibigayan ng corona. Matatanda nag-resign si Rachel Gupta bilang Miss Grand International kaya binigay kay CJ ang corona. Narito ang naging official statement ng MGI noon. The organization hereby announces the termination of Miss Rachel Gupta's title as Miss Grand International 2024 effective immediately. The decision follows her failure to fulfill her assigned duties, engagement in external projects without prior approval from the organization, and her refusal to participate in the scheduled trip to Guatemala. As a result, the organization has resolved to revoke her title with immediate effect. Miss Rachel Gupta is no longer authorized to use the title or wear the crown associated with Miss Grand International 2024. Request that the crown be returned to MGI head office within 30 days from the date of this notice. Sa puntong ito ay umaasa naman ng mga netizen na magagampanan ni CJ Opiasa ang kanyang role bilang bagong Miss Grand International 2024.